giving a wave to the entire National Stadium. And Mrs. Golding, always by his side.
Comrades, it is with great humility and a great sense of purpose that I put myself forward to become the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. I dedicate myself to serving the people of Jamaica, all of the people of Jamaica, and in particular, those who need the help of a caring government, a People's National Party government that knows about the struggles of the people. I commit myself to continue that mission and to help move Jamaica from stagnation, from hopelessness, move on to a better quality of life for us all, higher levels of economic growth, and Jamaica will be moving up with the PNP to a better place. Comrades, on Wednesday, I ask you, all undecided voters, even laborites, put your X beside the head and return Jamaica to decency, return Jamaica to being a country that the whole of the world can look on and say, that is a little Caribbean pearl. We raid them. Comrades, God bless you all. The word is love. Power to the people. Power to the people.